In this video, I will show you how to make group chat on Snapchat. Firstly, you need to open up your Snapchat section, then you need to tap right here on the second selection to take up on your chat sites. Go on it, and right after that, just click right down on that bottom side section. And when you get here, you need to select the sites in which you want to include the friends on your group chat. Firstly, go on new group call if you want. If you don't want, just go new chat on the first site right over here. Create new group section with typing on it. Then select the sites in which you want to include in that group. For example, you're gonna go with this one right here, and then simply when you select the friends in which you want to take off that selection, go chat with group. And now guys, as you can see, we have created a group chat on Snapchat.